Hello, my name is Shubhendu Das and I am your mathematics teacher at Minnata, and today I am going to teach you the linear equation in two variables of grade 10, and we have already completed 9 lectures on this topic. Now we will start lecture number 10 today. So first example or first problem, it will be the find the values of m and n for which the following system of equation has infinitely many solutions. So the first equation 3x plus 4y is equals to 12, and the second equation m plus n multiply x plus 2 into m minus n into y is equals to 5m minus 1. Now first you have to arrange in the order of a1x plus b1y plus c1 will be 0. So that means we can write 3x plus 4y minus 12 is equals to 0, and m plus n into x plus 2 into m minus n into y minus minus of 5m minus 1 is equals to 0. Now we arrange in the order of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. Now if we compare, we will get a1 is equals to 3, b1 is equals to 4, and c1 is equals to minus 12. Now here you get a2 is equals to m plus n, b2 is equals to b2 is equals to 2 into m minus n, and c2 is equals to minus of 5m minus 1. Now as it has infinitely many solutions, that means if the given system of equation has infinitely many solutions, that means the condition will be a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. That means a1 is 3 by m plus n, b1 is 4, b2 is 2 into m minus n, so 4 by 2 into m minus n. That means we can say it is 2 by m minus n, because 2 and 2, 2 2s are 4. Then it will be c1 is minus 12 divided by c2 is minus 5m of minus 1. So minus and minus get cancelled. So that means here we can say that a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2. So that means 3 by m plus n is equals to 2 by m minus n. Now 3m minus 3n is equals to 2m plus 2n. Now 3m minus 2m, that is m. So m is equals to 3n plus 2n, that is 5n. And we get 2 by m minus n is equals to 12 by 5m minus 1. Now 2 6 are 12, we can cancel them. So it will be 6m minus 6n is equals to 5m minus 1. That means here we can say 6m minus 5m, that is m is equals to, so we need to check, m minus 6n is equals to minus 1. Now put the value, m is here 5n, so by putting the value, if it is equation number 1 and it is equation number 2, so putting the value of m is equals to 5n in equation number 2. If we put the value in equation number 2, what you will get, m means 5n minus 6n is equals to minus 1. So that means minus n is equals to minus 1. So n is equals to 1. Now put the value of n is equals to 1 in equation number 1. If we put the value of n is 1 in equation number 1, you will get m is equals to 5n. That means 5 into 1. So m is equals to 5. So you get m is equals to 5 and n is equals to 1. Now in new type, we'll start in example number 2, so that the given systems of equation three x minus 5y is equals to 7, 6x minus 10y is equals to 3. It has no solution. Has no solution. If it has no solution, that means first we have to write in the form of a1x plus b1 plus c1 is equals to 0. So a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. So that means 3x minus 5y minus 7 equals to 0, and we can write 6x minus 10y minus 3 is equals to 0. Now we write in this form a1x plus b1y plus c1 is 0, and second equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. So now a1 is 3, b1 is minus 5, and c1 is minus 7. Now here a2 is 6, b2 is minus 10, and c2 is minus 3. Now as it has no solution, if so first you need to check it has no solution, it is given. So no solution means the condition is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2. Now you have to check this. So a1 is 3, a2 is 6, b1 is minus 5, b2 is minus 10, and it should be not equals to minus 7 by minus 3. Yes, you can check this one. It will be 1 by 2, and it will be also 1 by 2, but it is not equals to minus and minus cancel 7 by 3. That means it is already proved. So that means we can say that it has no solution. Now move to the next type. Now we'll start example number 3. So find the value of k for which the system of equations x plus 2y equals to 5 and 3x plus ky minus 15 is equals to 0 has no solution. That it has no solution, that means first we have to write in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is 0. That means x plus 2y minus 5 is 0 and 3x plus ky minus 15 is 0. Now we compare this as a1x plus b1y plus c1 is 0 and here a2x plus b2y plus c2 is 0. Now after comparing we get a1 is 1, b1 is 2 and c1 is minus 5 and then a2 is 3, b2 is k and c2 is minus 15. Now here you can check that it has it has no solution. If it has no solution, then we can say a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2. Let's put the values. A1 is 1, so 1 by 3 is equals to 2 by k is not equals to minus 5 by minus 15. So first we can say 1 by 3 is equals to 2 by k and 2 by k is not equals to minus 5 by minus 15. That means it will be 1 by 3. That means 2 by k not equals to 1 by 3 and here you get k is equals to 6 and here you get k is not equals to 6. K is equals to 6 and k is not equals to 6 is not here you get k is 6 and in the second k is not equals to 6. It is not possible. If k is 6, then how it is possible k is not 6? That means it is not possible. So that means there is no value of k. There is no value of k for which the given system of equation has no solution. That means it is actually not possible. Now example number 3, it's kx plus 3y is equals to k minus 2 and 12x plus ky is equals to k. Find the values of k for which the given system of equation has no solution. That means it is given that it has no solution and for which value of k it is possible actually. We have to find this. So first you have to write kx plus 3y minus of k minus 2 will be equals to 0, as we write in the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 is 0, and the second equation, that is 12x plus ky minus k is 0. That means we write in this form a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. After comparing these two, you get a1 is k, b1 is 3, and c1 is 2 minus k. Minus of k minus 2, that means 2 minus k. Now here a2 is equals to 12, b2 is equals to k, and c2 is equals to minus k. Now as it has it has no solution, as it has no solution. That means the condition is that a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2, but it is not equals to c1 by c2. Now put the value. a1 is k, a2 is 12, b1 is 3, b2 is k, and not equals to 2 minus k divided by minus k. Now first compare these two. So k by 12 is equals to 3 by k. So from here you get k square is equals to 36. So k will be equals to plus 6 or minus 6. Now 3 by k is equals to 2 minus k by minus k. So that means minus 3k is equals to 2k minus k square. So here you get k square is equals to 5k. That means k square minus 5k is 0. So we can write this k into k minus 5 is 0. Now two cases are there. Case number 1 when the k is plus 6, and case number 2 when k is minus 6. So first case number 1, when k is plus 6. In this case k into k minus 5 will be equals to 6 into 6 minus 5. That means 6 into 1, that is 6, and it is not equals to 0. And case number 2, when k is minus 6, then k into k minus 5, it will be minus 6 into minus 6 minus 5. It will be minus 6 multiplied minus 11, that is 66. It is also not equals to 0. That means where it has no solution, the value of k is 6, or in the value of k is minus 6. It has no solution. Now next one, find the value of k for which the given system of equation three k plus 1 into x plus 3y minus 2 is equals to 0, and k square plus 1 into x plus k minus 2 into y minus 5 is equals to 0. This two equation has no solution. As it has no solution, that means first we have to write in the form. It is already right in this form. So a1x plus b1y plus c1 is 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. So now from here you get a1 is 3k plus 1, b1 is 3, c1 is minus 2. Now here you get a2 is k square plus 1, b2 is k minus 2, and c2 is minus 5. Now it has no solution. So that means if it has no solution, that means a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2, but it is not equals to c1 by c2. We know this. So a1, that is 3k plus 1 by a2 k square plus 1 is equals to b1, that is 3 by b2 k minus 2, and it is not equals to minus 2 by minus 5. So that means here we can say first 3k plus 1 by k square plus 1 is equals to 3 by k minus 2. That means here we can say 3k plus 1 into k minus 2, that means 3k square minus 6k plus k minus 2 is equals to 3k square plus 3. Now 3k square and 3k square get cancelled. So here you get 5k is equals to minus 5. So k will be equals to minus 1. Now when k is equals to minus 1, and there is another one, that is 3 by k minus 2 is not equals to 2 by 5. You can clearly say that 3 by k minus 2, if k is minus 1, then it is not equals to 2 by 5, because it will be 3 by minus 1, 3 by minus 3 if we put the value. So that means hence the given system of equations has no solution when k is equals to minus 1. So in this value it will gives you no solution. So today what we learned, that if it has infinitely many solutions, how to find the m and n of this in the given system of equation. 3x plus 4y is equals to 12, and m plus n into x plus 2 into m minus n into y equals to 5m minus 1. Now if it has no solution, that means the condition should be a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2, but it is not equals to c1 by c2. Then we have to find the value of k if it is system of equation given x plus 2y is 5, 3x plus ky is minus 15, and it has no solution. By putting the values, you will get that k is equals to 6 and k is equals to not 6 from the left side and from the right side. So it is not possible because k is 6, one equation says, another equation says it is not 6. That means it is not possible here. Then we did this kind of questions, find the value of k for which the given system of equation has no solution, and then we did this kind of questions where you get the value of k is minus 1. So I hope you enjoyed the session, all the doubts are clear, and we will continue this in the next class as well. Thank you for joining the session.